Hello friends, good morning all of you. I am Dr. Tagad R.N, Honorary Balasaheb Jadhav, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Ali District, Pune, from Maharashtra in India. My experience is 25th years. My subject is botany. So I will start the today's topic, classification of plant. Plant is classified into two groups, cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams means non-flowering plant and phanerogams means the flowering plant. Cryptogams, this plant group further divided into three subgroups, that is the Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. The cryptogams is the primitive than the phanerogams. In cryptogams, the first group, primitive group, that is Thallophyta. Thallophyta means plant body is thallus. Plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. These Thallophyta further divided into four groups, that is algae, fungi, lichen and bacteria. First group, let us start the first group, that is the algae. Algae means plant growing in water, plant growing in aquatic condition, plant growing in fresh water as well as the marine water. Algal plant is autotrophic, chlorophyllous and photosynthetic plant. The example of algal plant, that is Spirogyra, Euglena, Ulva, Enteromorpha, Sargassum and so on. Second group is fungi. It includes some fungal plant. All the plants included in fungal group. Achlorophyllous. It means the plant heterotrophic. Algal plant is autotrophic. Fungal plant is heterotrophic because fungal plant achlorophyllous. Hence, the fungal plant not liable for their food material. They depends upon the other plant for their food. The fungal group is parasitic and saprophytic. Parasitic means fungal plant body for their food material depending upon the other plant. And parasitic means plant body depending upon the dead and decayed organic material. The example of a fungal plant, that is the mucor, Puccinia, alternaria, agaricus and so on. The third group, that is lichen. Lichen means plant. Lichen is the plant made up of association of two groups, algae and fungi. It means the lichen plant made up of association of algal and fungal member. The example of lichen, that is the Usnea. The fourth group in Thallophyta, that is the bacteria. Bacteria is the plant because it is unicellular, but this plant made up of this plant cell with cell wall. The example of bacteria, that is the Escherichia coli cell. The second group in Thallophyta, that is the Bryophyta. Bryophyte plant group is the advanced than the Thallophytic plant group because plant body differentiated into stem-like and leaf-like part, but root is absent and replaced by root arise the rhizoids. Hence, this plant group is known as Bryophyta. Bryophytic plant group bears the formation of embryo, but Thallophyta embryo is absent. Thallophytic plant is with unicellular sex organs except the Caranitella, but fungal plant is unicellular with sex organs. Then Bryophyta plant bears the embryo. This bryophytic plant divided into three groups: Hepaticea, Anthocerati, and Masai. The example of Hepaticea is Rixia. Example of Anthocerati is the Anthoceros, and third group Masai is the example Funaria. Third group in cryptogams, that is the Pteridophyta. Pteridophytic plant group is with plant body is differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. Pteridophyta means plant body differentiated into true root, stem, and leaves. It is the advanced plant group than the Bryophyta. The next group of the plant, that is the Phanerogams. Phanerogams means the flowering plant group. The flowering plant group is further divided into two groups, that is the Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Gymnosperms means the plant with naked seeded, and Angiosperms means plant with seed enclosed in fruit. The Gymnosperm is the primitive flowering plant group. It is further divided into fourth groups, and next group, that is the Angiospermic plant group. Angiospermic plant group with seed enclosed in ovary, the seed enclosed in fruit, that is the ovule enclosed in ovary. The Angiospermic plant group is advanced than the Gymnospermic group